Today I'm just going to talk very quickly about the stainless steel items that we manufacture. So we've chosen to manufacture here locally rather than import. We are bringing some items in from KegLand, but everything you see here in front is manufactured locally. This allows us to make quick changes. If you don't see what you're looking for on the website, drop me a mail, info@millside.co.za. If it's in 2-inch and 4-inch, chances are I'm going to be able to make that up for you, get it out to you in a very short period of time. I mean, a classic example is a client wanted a shotgun condenser, but he wanted an elbow on it. So we were able to make that up in a short period and get it out to him very quickly. So again, it's not limited to just those sorts of things. If you're wanting a shotgun condenser, say in a 1-meter format, again, not a problem. You know, if you're handling chucking 6 or 8 kilowatts at something, you need something good like that. Kegs, we can make full modifications to kegs as well. I've always had an issue with normal kegs. How do you get in there to clean them? You know, if we weld a ferrule into that for you, you can get in there, give it a good clean out. We can weld in ports for elements. We can put in drain valves. Our courier will come pick it up from you. Obviously, just drop me a mail first. I can quote you depending on what modifications you want. It also allows you to do other things with a keg. Like for argument's sake, we can make up a blank plate with a bubbler. You can now use it as a fermenter. You can even make more modifications, use it as a pressurizable fermenter. You know, you can then use it as a standard type still. You know, let's just find a short extension. And again, you know, if you're wanting to do other things with this type of format, like say you're making a gin, you might want the botanicals at different stages. So you can put a gin basket right at the beginning and possibly at the end, or even more, depending what you're looking for. Sight glasses, obviously we're manufacturing a more industrial heavy type sight glass. We are bringing the cheaper range of sight glasses in as well. Elbows, again, we can make 180s, 90s, short T-pieces, long T-pieces. If you're looking for filtered water type devices, you know, we can you can purchase normal straight throughput, or we can put a valve on, put in your activated carbon and make yourself filtered water. We also supply a range of stainless steel sieve plates. They can get welded into the tubing at different stages. They do produce quite a bit of reflux. They also can be used right at the bottom to prevent flooding of the actual column. So again, if you don't see what you're looking for, please bear in mind that we can make these modifications for you very easily, very quickly. You can see, obviously, by manufacturing locally, we're not limited in what we can do. One of the holdups we had is with SARS. That's why you won't see completed stills on the website yet. I am happy to tell you that a year later now, SARS has completed 3 inspections on our property. We've had to make various changes, put in camera systems, roller shutter doors, and all sorts of things. I have been informed that that process is now finalized, and my understanding is that we are now legal for the manufacture of alcohol stills here in South Africa, which really good news. We are coming out with a boiler soon, and that will fit onto the Unistill in a 50 and 100 litre formats. We're trying to make them economical, that we can put stirrers on and built-in PIDs, making it very economical for a home distiller to have a combination still made out of stainless steel at a very reasonable price. And again, like I said, you can put copper in there, get all the benefits from copper as well, and you're not stuck with any of the oxidization issues. So guys, thank you for your time, and I look forward to another video with you guys soon, and we'll keep you informed on new products. Cheers for now.